Assalamu alaikum students. Now there comes as part 2 of alkyl halide, in which we are going to discuss preparation of alkyl halide RX. Alkyl halides can be prepared by the following methods. Number A, from alcohols, from alkanes, and number C, from alkenes, right? Now first of all, from alcohols, how can we prepare alkyl halides? Simply, alcohols reacts with halogen acids HX, and alkyl halides RX, and water is removed. You can see from here how the water is removed, OH from this alcohol group, hydroxyl group from this alcohol, ROH compound, and H from this halogen acids, and this water is removed like this, and we are left behind with R and X, which will combine together to form RX, right? From alcohol we can get alkyl halides by these 1 2 3 4 5 methods. First, HCl, just like this, the previous one which I have told you, the reaction HCl ROH reacts with HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, and RCl means alkyl chloride, and water is removed. Second method is with the reaction with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine as a solvent. RCl is formed. This is alkyl group taken from this alcohol. R can be any alkyl radical. It may be ethyl, methyl, ethyl, propyl, anything else. If it is ethyl alcohol, then it will be ethyl chloride. If it is methyl alcohol, it is methyl chloride. And the byproducts are HCl and SO2. This sulfur dioxide is removed, and this sulfur dioxide comes from this thionyl chloride. Third method is reaction of alcohol with phosphorus tribromide. In this reaction we also get respective alkyl halides. If it is bromine, then it will be alkyl bromide. If R is methyl, then it will be methyl bromide. If this R is ethyl, then it will be ethyl bromide, and the byproduct is phosphorus acid. The fourth reaction is with phosphorus pentachloride, and the respective alkyl halide we get phosphorus pentachloride, it contains chloride, and then it will be alkyl chloride, and the byproduct is phosphorus oxy trichloride and HCl. The fourth reaction is with phosphorus triiodide, and because it contains iodine, so alkyl halide will be alkyl iodide. If it is methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol, then it will be ethyl iodide. The general mechanism is ROH plus this PX3 or PX5, whatever. The product will always be RX and H3PO3 or POX3 and HX. The choice of this byproduct depends upon the concentration of this alcohol taken. Number B method is from alkanes. Yes, you have already studied in alkane topic, halogenation of alkanes or free radical substitution reaction in alkanes. As you know, alkanes are very stable and stable compounds, so they required very vigorous condition to be reacted. So halogens will add up in this alkane compounds in the presence of sunlight, and this reaction, as you can see, if it is ethane, we will get ethyl chloride and HCl. In case of diffuse sunlight, all of these 4 hydrogens of alkane methane will replaced one by one with this chloride, and first we get methyl chloride, then dichloroethane, then trichloroethane, which is also known as chloroform, and carbon tetrachloride and the product in which all 4 hydrogens are replaced by 4 chloridine. Okay, next method of preparation is from alkenes. You have already studied in this alkene topic. Hydrohalogenation of alkenes means addition of hydrogen and halogen in the double bond. Here you can see alkene, it has double bond and it favors addition reactions. HX, first of all, the reaction is basically electrophilic substitution reaction in which First, this double bond will attack on this electrophilic hydrogen, and this hydrogen atom will remove, and this halogen atom, the carbocation is formed, and this halogen ion will attack on this positive carbon, carbocation, and the carbon, the choice of carbon to which this negative part of attacking molecule will go, depend. It is suggested by Markovnikov rule, which states that the negative part of the incoming halogen acid will goes towards that carbon which contain the least number of hydrogen. So if you can see, this carbon contains 3 hydrogens and this carbon has only 1 hydrogen, so it is obvious that this halogen will go towards this carbon, and the product we get this like this: RCHX CH3. If R is methyl and X is Cl, so if we write down CH3 instead of R, and in the place of X if we write down Cl, so by IUPAC naming system of naming compounds 1 2 3, if we number this chain 1 2 3 like this, then this chloro radical comes on the second number carbon, and the name of this compound will be 2-chloropropane or isopropyl chloride. So you can see we get the alkyl halide. So all the preparation of alkyl halide is just finished in this part 2. I hope you all it's better understand this preparation. Thank you.